Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, some days you just have to take a moment and look up. Appreciate the little things. The sky looks pretty normal today. Just your average blue sky. A few fluffy clouds floating by. Nothing too special, right? It's just one of those quiet, ordinary days. Wait a second. What was that? Did something just fall on me? It felt like, I don't know, a tiny piece of paper. That's weird. There aren't any trees right here, and I don't see anything above me. Maybe it was just my imagination playing tricks on me. What? It's raining colors. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Confetti is pouring down from everywhere. Red, blue, green, yellow. It's a rainbow explosion. Where is all of this coming from? This is absolutely wild. I feel like I'm inside a giant party popper that just went off. The whole world just turned into a kaleidoscope. I have never ever seen anything like this. It's a full-on confetti blizzard, a storm of pure happiness. Is this real life right now? This is crazy. It won't stop. I've gotta try and catch some. Got one. Got another one. They're like colorful snowflakes, just without the cold. Spinning around in a hurricane of paper. Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. This is the best kind of rain I could ever ask for. Forget water. Give me colors. It's everywhere on my head, on my shoulders, all over the ground. It's transforming this whole place into a magical wonderland. I could get used to this. Keep it coming. More. And just like that, it's over. The sky is clear again. Everything's quiet. Well, that was an adventure. Not a single piece of confetti left falling. Wait, hold on. Seriously? Now you stop. Right on the nose. Classic. Thanks so much for watching this whirlwind of color with me. If you enjoyed this crazy confetti storm, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unexpected fun. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.